Hello there, everybody. It's me, Thomas, Train Fan number 1. And today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. So, this Thomas Wooden Railway. It is a talking Thomas. I don't even have a talking Thomas Wooden Railway engine yet. I just have like normal plain ones. Like, the Happy Birthday Thomas. Oh, gotta move Baby Thomas stuffed animal. And my engine, Patrick and Ashima. So this is my 5th Thomas Wooden Railway engine. So it's the talking version of Thomas the Tank, and yeah, and right there it says, "Hello, I'm Thomas," and it says "Working light." Yeah, his lamp lights up just like the Take and Play ones, and yeah, right there it says "Working light." Oh, okay, sorry. And right there it says, "Hello, I'm Thomas," and it has Thomas right there, and yeah. So today we're going to be unboxing this. So, okay. Gotta be very careful. I don't want to cut him. Yeah, I don't want him to get cut or anything. That would be terrible. I've spent so much money. Okay. No. How do I do this? Hang on a minute. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh no, I damaged the box. Man, what the heck? But I might keep it though. So just oh no, I'm ruining the grass and stuff. No. Okay. This box is so beautiful. I don't want to damage it, but I did a little. Just a little. Hang on. Okay. The other boxes like Patrick's, Ashima's, and whoa, the Happy Birthday Thomas, they're easy to open. You just have to tear it. Oh no. Hang on a minute, guys. Hang on, I might cut the ropes. Sorry. Okay, there. I cut the ropes Not all of them, those. Got him halfway out, but didn't get him all the way out. Oh, he's almost out. Okay, we got him out finally. Okay. Talking Thomas. Let's see. Let's get the ropes off of you. Hang on, let me grab hold of this rope. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hang on a minute, guys. I might need to, do this. Hang on a minute, guys. Holy cow. Okay, this rope. I swear, this rope, it's taking a long time to get off. Whatever. I'll just take it off later. So, this is Talking Thomas, and... Sorry. Okay, this is Talking Thomas. I didn't get the other rope off. I'll get it off later, though. Okay, so he talks. Okay. Ready?
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 blue engine. I must not delay. I have more jobs to do. Steamies are really useful. Full steam ahead. Bust my buffers. This is hard work.
I think that's all he says. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, that's all he says. Okay. So, this is a Talking Thomas, and his lamp is very, very bright. If you even noticed. So, his lamp is black. And he has like a very, very pretty blue. It's almost like, sky blue or something. Oops. Okay. So, I think their blue is the same. I'm gonna eat your soul. No, he's just kidding. Okay. So, this is the Talking Thomas wooden railway. So, he's really, really awesome.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Yeah, so he's a very, very awesome train, and I'm shining his light in his eye. Not his eye, this guy's eye. That really, really hurt! Okay. So this is a Thomas Wooden Railway Talking Thomas, and oh my gosh, those ropes. They annoy me so much. Okay, so this is the brand new Talking Thomas. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of unboxing this little Thomas Wooden Railway engine. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys like him. So goodbye. Have a great day.